Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn on this and on know how you can do that on your BandLab app. So all you have to do, just go above this photo, click on it, sharing app. So then it's going to take us to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this and settings, click here and above, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications. So when you click on notifications, it's going to take you to notifications list here. So you just waiting to open video here. Usually it's going to take a time. Then you go down, you come here to BandLab updates, click on it here, and you go down. So then you come here to feedback and services here. You click in push here. So push here. Sorry, I'm going to you click here on push it like you see this cursor for ask and you turn on it for email to here. So then it's going to turn on with us here on your BandLab app like you see. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like